right, like I said, we're changing how emails will be received when a user gets in here and fills out the form and clicks send the message. I wanted to update this email service. Right now it's using Gmail, and that's already been set up to work with Google Workspaces, which means you get something like info@yourdomain.com instead of using something like let's just go john.doe@gmail.com, and that's your business email if you want to look more established and professional. So it has to be something to do with your business.com. All right, so right now I'm using the Gmail service, and just to expand on that a little bit more, all right, so this is a resend email function. It's going to check the environment variables for the email provider. Right now that is set to Gmail, it will fall back to Gmail. That's more robust, right? That's more robust. If I need to make a change, I'll just go on production in environment variables, change the email provider from Gmail to resend, and it will immediately instantiate the resend class, and it will use that. Is this application running? Yep, it's running. So I'm wondering why the process is running. Oh, it's running with Docker PS. You do that with Docker compose logs tail. Okay, app tail, the last 100. I think that's why we'll see what we need to see. But in the meantime, let's run this. I'll go with Peter. So the name is Peter Parker. All right. So this failed. I know why this is happening. That's what I said. We need to down and remove the volumes, remove often. Okay, maybe we need to do that. Images from scratch without using any cache. Okay. The image dropped all my images. I'll have to build again. All right. So it was a caching issue. Node mailer is now installed. Now let's test if the application works as it should. No, we're not. We're running port 3000 or 80. I don't want to open that. Let's just hit refresh and fill this out again. Peter, or message, looking good. Get a response back. So I think there's definitely more logs in the backend. Docker compose logs for the app you want to tail the last 100. And from here we can see email was sent. Yeah, the email should be sent to support. So I'm going to check that out and see if we got the email. All right, there we go. We received an email. Okay, so this one looks like a new project inquiry. Action required, reply within 24 hours. Response will be sent to the client. So the client got a message as well. Thank you, Peter Parker. Your inquiry has been received. Why are you saying discuss your vision? I don't want to discuss the vision. We need to change this as well. Looks like we get one more vision in the client email template. I don't want to discuss your vision. We can discuss a vision, but that's not the main point. Found it. Now I'll update the text to be more business centric, replacing discuss your vision with something more focused on the business needs. Yep, it's business objectives. Much better. I like that. So this looks to be working as it should. We're going to commit this content. Okay, and clear out the clutter. Summarizing the content. Now you see that in a split second. Looks good. I like that. And then we can now push. Hit push. Perfect. And that will be it. Review that. Okay, looks good. Create a PR. But now before I merge the pull request, I'll have to add these environment variables. Things, secrets and variables, actions, and we have SSL enabled. And I will set that to Gmail. Yep. And the password is personal. RGPR without reviewing it. Delete this branch. I could have asked Copilot to review, but again, I'm doing this. So that's gonna kick off an action that will deploy to production. Put on the containers and spin up new ones with this functionality. So with that, the first thing we did was we hired in a hard-coded email service for Gmail, but that would have made it a little harder to switch to another one, and it would have created like some sort of, what's it called, third-party dependency on Gmail. And updating that would require deploying again, creating a new pull request and deploying to production again if you made a change. But now, if I needed to change out from Gmail to resend, all I have to do is just get this resend thing, go to the actions, find the email provider and change that to resend, and put down, recreate the containers that are running on production, and that will spin up the application to run and send emails using resend. All right, so that's gonna conclude this session. I hope you learned something. But for now, I want to get this platform into your eyes. I want to get eyeballs onto this website. What I can do now is I can link this website onto my different platforms for Brand Elevate, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, and whatnot. You can email us directly or schedule a discovery call. We'll fill out the form and let us know about your project, and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. So yeah, see you in another one. Peace.